Let's take this
and turn it into this.
Today we're using reusable mesh silk screen transfers to create these darling Christmas themed tiered trays from Chalk Couture. Simply choose your design, trim to size, and place on a fuzzing cloth to soften the transfer adhesive. Place it on nearly any surface from wood, plastic, glass to paper and make sure it's adhered properly with no bubbles or wrinkles. Then grab a squeegee and Chalkology paste in the color of your choice and spread to cover the design. Work the paste into the design from all angles to make sure that it's completely filled in. Then wipe away all the excess paste. Using different sized squeegees and mixing tools, you can easily add multiple colors to your design. Peel back the transfer to reveal your design. In just seconds, you can create customized decor for your home and make Christmas cards or gifts for your friends. And you can even mix the colors together. We love this cool ombre effect on this Christmas tree. With the right care, you can use these designs again and again. Cleaning the transfers is just as easy. Simply wash both sides with cool water and a sponge, but don't let it soak. Air dry with the sticky side up, then place on the shiny side of the backer sheet. Not only is it awesome that you can use these designs over and over again, but if you get tired of the design or colors you used, you can basically erase and start again. Some of the surfaces are reusable and the Chalkology paste wipes clean with water. Just spritz with water, clean the surface, and replace with your design to create a new look. Updating your home decor has never been easier. The Christmas tiered tray kit comes with everything you need. Just pick your colors to customize your design and use coupon code SUNNYSIDE for 50% off your Christmas tiered tray kit and get free shipping on your order. Everything we're using today is linked down in the description box. We love the fact that you can create on almost any surface. Some additional Christmas items you can make are gift tags, boxes, paper sacks, cards, candles, jars, or vases. And if you want to design on fabric, you can use the Chalkology paste like we did, or the Chalkology ink for a permanent finish, which would be best for clothing or other materials that you'd plan on laundering. When you're finished watching this video, go find something around your house you want to update with these transfers. Tap the link in the description to order your supplies and let us know what you're going to create down in the comments below. Remember, it's as easy as peel and reveal. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're the first one to know when our new videos come out, and together we'll bring our homes to the sunny side of the street. Up next, learn how to make these vintage Christmas bells for free with supplies you already have on hand. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.